For my generation, the memories of the treaty signing remain on archival records and photographs. We pay tribute to our former leaders, some of whom are with us here tonight and who may have been part of the original signing. The Treaty of Friendship marks the unique relationship between our two countries. I am told this is the only treaty of its kind between New Zealand and another country.
Talofa lava. Talofa lava, malo le sofuia manuia, tēnā koutou katoa. Warm greetings to you all on this blessed evening. On behalf of all of the guests from Aotearoa, New Zealand, here with me this evening, I thank you sincerely, Prime Minister, for your kind invitation to join the head of state, the government and people of Samoa in celebrating this special occasion, the 60th anniversary of the signing of the Treaty of Friendship between our two countries.
I would like to propose a toast to the Treaty of Friendship. May this cooperation pave our common paths into the future. Soifua mai manuia.
Propose a toast to the Treaty of Friendship. May it continue to be our guiding document for another 60 years and beyond. So for mea manuia, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.
And of course, because the Prime Minister has travelled here with her delegation for the 60th anniversary of the Treaty of Friendship, the discussions have taken place in that spirit, that we are friends and neighbours.
Prime Minister, again, it's been an honour and a highlight for us to be able to come and join you for this dialogue and for this memorable occasion. It has, yes, been short, but it has not lacked, I think, depth, and so we're very grateful for that. So, kia ora koutou katoa, ngā mihi nui kia koutou, whawhatai lava.